Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Muhammad from MPM Academy, and inshallah in this video we will change our meetings from this to this. And it's only the first video in our playlist talking about how to make your classes more engaging and professional, inshallah. Inshallah, in this video we will talk about lighting and camera, and the next inshallah we will talk about audio, your background, and also tools, apps, websites that you can use. Inshallah, we will make it completely free or very minimal cost, inshallah. Follow us, subscribe us if you need to learn more about teaching online. I have a journey of more than 4 years teaching, and alhamdulillah I've tried a lot of apps, tools, websites, and also strategies, techniques, and this is my brief and summary about classes and online learning. Let's get started. First, you have to know that I was using my laptop and it has a very bad quality cam, and I think this is the most mid-range or low-end laptops. It's a very old one. It's Lenovo X230. It's a very old laptop, and a lot of us has those laptops or mid-range laptops, and their cameras are not good at all. And we all have our smartphones everywhere, every time, and they have a better cameras. And by using its cam, you can change your meetings, as we said, from scratch to make it professional. I searching for an app to make my phone as a webcam, and after trial and error I used a lot of apps as XSplit and also Droid Cam and also OPS, I think, and finally it's Camo. Camo is a simple app and it has a friendly user interface, and it has a lot of customizations in its free version, and this is you will not find in the rest of the apps. This is a brief how to use it. It's plug and play. Just download it on your Windows or Mac and also on your phone, and then connect them. And here it's a tip: connect them through USB will give you a better connection and a better video quality instead of connecting through Wi-Fi. It's available, but through USB will give you the best quality you can find. It's the interface of Camo. As you see here, you have a lot of enhancements, image adjustments, and this you will not find in any other app. I used all of them. And here you will choose only your device. I connect through my Oppo Reno 3, and here you can change the mic that you're using, and here is some watermarks, framing, and so on. A lot of customizations in the free version, and it's plug and play. That makes it much easier. I used Droid Cam and I had another step, an added step, and that makes it boring. Every time I wanted to make my video high quality, I have to watch an ad, and this is not good at all. If you need a video about Camo covering all aspects of it, how to download it and how to use it, you can leave me a comment. Inshallah, we will make it. All what you have to do is while you're in meeting, you can go here in video and press this arrow, and you use Camo to use Camo's cam. Or if you are not in meeting, you can go to Zoom settings from here and video, then change the source to Camo to make it fix it, inshallah. Okay, now we changed the main source of our video, and here is also some tips. First, wipe your cam. It will make a great difference. Second, use grid, and by this you can be in the middle of your frame, and this is preferred in meetings. It's not videography, it's meetings. You have to be the main contrast or the main focus in your class. The last one is to adjust your angle, not to look like this or this. Make it as I'm doing right now, a little space above your head to make a comfort video or visuals to your students. By this you will have a great difference, inshallah. And here is the second thing. First is the source of your video, what will capture it, and second, and it's the main thing, if you search online for making your videos or your online meetings professional, you will find that the key is lights. Lights is the key for videos and photos. Photos and videos are formed from sun, lights, and shadows with colors, and that's it. You have to take care about your lights very well. First, do not use your room lights except it's in front of you. It can give you a good lighting. The one behind you will make this look of your videos, and you don't want to make your class like this. Second, I'm using two lights right now, and this is the best ever that I was using before. Why? It's easy and also it's costless, and I can change and customize them. First, this is my key light for my videos. It's enlightening this part of my face and it's powerful. And if you notice, it's a not common thing as I made it myself, and also if you want a video, we can make a video for it how I made this thing. It's costless. It's just a lamp and popcorn bottle, and that's it. The second is my fill light, and it's my ring light. It's the smallest size. It's very cheap. It's less than $1 or $2, I think. And it's covering this side of my face. The third tip is your background. I prefer minimal and clean backgrounds, and this will make you the focus as we said. And now I'm using these lights in my background. They are blurry to make a distance between you and the background. This will make your videos more professional. You can add some lights as those, and it will make it much better. The last thing is going to zoom settings by going here, and we will go to video and change this to HD. It will not be marked. Mark it to use the highest quality of your cam, and go to advanced. And here, if you have a GPU, dedicated GPU graphics card, this will be much better, and checking those buttons as they will use the power of your GPU to enhance your video quality. This one is for the video that you send and the video that you receive. It will make a great difference. Okay, this is our easy steps, costless steps to make your videos like this. This is the final results, and here is a quick brief. First, we use our phone as a webcam using Camo app, and second, we care about the lights, and we make a key light, fill light, and background lights with a clear background. Third is your Zoom meeting settings or video settings to make it high definition, and also utilize your hardware acceleration to make it much better. This is the final results. And I think that you will love it, and you will love to do more and to get more with your classes. Inshallah, in the next videos, we will talk about audio as we did talk about video, alhamdulillah, and we will talk about tools, apps, websites, and also strategies that the teacher can use. All of this, inshallah, in the next videos. Make sure to subscribe us to see those videos once they are published, inshallah. May Allah please you and reward all of us, inshallah. See you in the next video.